Say hi, Gracie.
Hello.
We thought we'd start out summer right. Go geocaching, isn't that right, Gracie?
Yep.
So come along, if you will, on a journey through woods and parking lots to a magical world of geocaching. Experience the wonder with us. Great guy. Did you know that the Olympics are looking at adding esports like League of Legends to the Olympic Games?
Really?
Yeah, I'm thinking that they should add geocaching to the Olympics.
Is that an Olympic game?
It's more sporty than League of Legends is.
True.
I mean, come on.
True.
I'm an Olympian. I play League of Legends. You ever play League of Legends?
Yeah, I have.
It's not fun.
It's not fun.
I don't like it at all. That's kind of cool. A dice.
Why would anyone use a dice though?
We don't use it. It's just a little token. It's like a perfect little. It's like.
Okay, then get it.
Well, I'll carry it. We'll think about it.
What about these Spider-Mans?
Those are $1 a piece, though.
Okay, well then I'll get one for me.
Look, the little ducks.
Thought you were going for Legos. I got excited.
These are not Legos, Gracie.
Those are Legos.
These are top blocks.
That's a big Lego. I mean, a big top block.
That is a big top block. Top blocks.
My bad. My bad. A little guitar.
Yeah, put a little guitar in there. I'll leave a little duck up there. Why do you get 3 ducks, 3 frogs? We'll see. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna get it.
This is my mood.
That's like it looks like a thing from Pixar. What is it? The Pixar movie where they have emotions. The Pixar movie where they have emotions. And they have the elephant, the imaginary friend.
Elephant? What is wrong?
Oh my
I
goodness.
think you just had a
Inside
bad
Out.
dream.
Inside Out.
Oh.
Yeah, look at him. He's like autism. You know what we should do? Dollar Tree Ho!
Cute music. Some dice.
Let's not do a Dollar Tree. Do you still have the app, the geocache app?
Yes, I do.
Okay, find this one nearby.
Okay. Alright.
Am I going away from it?
Yes.
We're actually really close. We just got back from Dollar Tree, and it's pretty close by. But I can't tell exactly where it is. Oh, hold on. It's on this side of the parking lot.
Okay, you're on the right track. Just keep going forward. Or don't go forward.
There's a building.
Don't go there. Okay, turn left.
So this one looks like it's like hidden behind the Walmart. If you thought Walmart was scary, try going behind the Walmart.
Especially after that sketchy truck just drove by.
Oh, let's go chase the sketchy truck.
Oh gosh. This is called Death.
This is called. You know what this looks like? This looks like the part of the. No, never mind.
No.
It doesn't. The joke won't land, and I'm gonna edit it out. So it's,
We'll just say it
I
then.
was gonna say that it looks like the parking lot that those kids shot that Kingdom Hearts video in, but it doesn't. So the end.
Where are your friends now? Part of the darkness.
Like if it had a ski.
Okay, this one's called the Evil Hydrant.
Right there.
Where?
There's a hydrant right there. Look how good I am.
Okay.
Ooh.
That's the hydrant. This is it. It's a difficulty of 4. It's gonna be hard. Okay, so maybe we're not quite at 3.5 level difficulty yet. So we're gonna have to log a did not find.
But you know what we did find? And you know what was a good
Let me
find?
get some.
This was a good find. No, Tom Holland is the best Spider-Man. Don't at me.
Don't at me.
Don't at me.
Let me.
That means don't come at me.
There's one that is right up here, it looks like. Not too far. Let's go try that.
Okay.
Oh, wait, let's see how hard it is. Hey, easy, easy, all around easy. We got this one. It's definitely probably one of these light poles, you know? Oh, gosh.
Oh my god! Is she gonna come back and attack me?
I hope so.
No, I don't see anything in it.
Okay, let's just check it. There it goes. Found it!
You did?
That was terrifying. She screamed at you. I screamed at you. This is a nice one. Wow! Ta-da! You want to sign her name?
Sure. You have a It's May.
Yes, it's May.
Okay, so what are we putting though? Like
5/26.
I know.
Just put Matt and Gracie. That's good. Roll her up. Roll down the window so you can hear. If it flies in the car, I'm gonna be really freaked out. Okay, watch for the bird. It will attack you. Hurry! Alright, we logged one. Smile. Like a happy smile. You found a geocache!
Wow!
So we found one, and we did not find one. What do you have to say about today? In one sentence or less.
Hungry.
Hungry? Alright, I guess we're done.
Thanks for watching.